Hi there. Thanks for trying SwiftKey. If you type in multiple languages, here is something you might really like. Let's say you're typing in English and Hindi. You can type in Latin script and get really smart predictions in Hindi. So smart. Or you can type in the Latin layout. Kapow! You've got Hindi script. What? Or just use a Hindi keyboard. This transliteration feature works for all these languages. Add some languages and try it right now. Open your SwiftKey app and tap on languages. Thanks for trying SwiftKey.